Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kim here. And today I'm doing an unboxing or unbagging of a Beebeecraft order that I got in the mail recently. It's been sitting for about 2 weeks, so I figured I better get it done and show you the things that I got in my last order. Now, as the title of the video says, this is a paid promotion. Yes, I do get this product for free to showcase and show you different products. And in exchange, I do a couple of videos showing myself actually working with these products. And it's really easy to do because the products are fun. You get to choose what you want to use for your promotion. And if you are a YouTube channel, you may want to consider contacting Beebeecraft and becoming representative for them as well. They only require that you have 100 YouTube followers, like subscribers, to get you started into this fun world of crafts. And Beebeecraft is very easy to buy because not only do I get my free orders, I do a lot of purchasing as well for myself, over and above what I get from them. So for me, it just reinforces what I'm already enjoying, and I get it for free. But if you aren't a YouTube channel and you're looking for some fun products, this is the site to visit. Go and visit them. I have a link on my description below. As well, there is a coupon code where you will get a 10% discount on any of your purchases. And I will give you the prices as we go along, and the prices are amazing. And so it doesn't take much to reach. They have I guess they have more than two. For each country that buys from them, they have a different level, I guess, where you reach that point and you get free shipping. In the United States, I think it's around $25, and in Canada, I think it might be $35. But it is so worth it. And then when you get to the $35, you're not paying for shipping. And a lot of the products, and I'm not kidding, when you'll see that today, a lot of the products you can easily share with one, maybe two, sometimes even three friends. Something in here you can actually share 6 ways. So it's easy to get together, and if you can agree on a handful of products, and maybe each of you picks one thing that the group likes or whatever, or 2 things, you can easily reach that level to have free shipping. So give it a shot and at least go and have a look at their website, but be prepared to spend some time there because there's lots to see. They have beads, jewelry parts and findings. They have jewelry, fabrics, ribbons, trims, all kinds of goodies to look at. So let's get started. Now I have my price list, so I'm going to tell you what the prices are of these things as I bring them out and open them. So this one here, now I took it out of the packaging just to save some time. This is the jacquard ribbon. It is 2 inches wide, and they give you 7.66 yards. So it's probably 7 meters. Now I didn't actually open the packages, of course. I think I opened one. Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't. When these orders come in the mail, I'm barely out of the car and already opening the envelope because it's just so much fun in here. So all the links will be in my description below. Now this is the jacquard ribbon, and it is beautiful. Look at this. That is so pretty. Oh, I even like the wrong side. That looks good too. And you can see how much is here. I can share this with some of my friends very easily. So the US price for this, now this is, like I said, 7.66 yards, which is probably 7 meters, is $5.09 US and $7.39 Canadian, $7.39. So that's like $1 a meter. You can't buy this in your local shops. In fact, you probably wouldn't find it very easily. But you can't buy this for $1 a meter in your local shops. There's no way. And I would easily pay that anywhere if I saw it. So I would definitely buy this for the price that I'm paying for it. Love this. Gorgeous. And then if you follow Jennifer Dirtle and Deborah Ibrahim, I think. I always mess this up, Deborah. I'm sorry. They both have joined Beebeecraft, and it's funny watching them open their packages and seeing what they got. Totally different from what I picked, for sure. Except Deborah and I did choose this. I think she chose one a little bit different than this one. But it is the floral trim. Now this comes 5 yards. Yeah, 5 yards in the package. Isn't this beautiful? Now, I will wind this onto a card after, but look at this trim. So you can cut these into little individual pieces to use as embellishments on projects. You can use it as a long piece to decorate the edge of your journal pages. And not just for journals. This is great for sewing projects, for doll makers, anything where you're doing any little projects where you might want to dress it up with a little bit of an embellishment. So beautiful and so pretty and very inexpensive. Now this was 5 yards. So in US dollars, it's $3.63. In Canadian dollars, $5.27 for 5 yards. So again, $1 a yard. Very inexpensive. So very easy to buy. Love it. Just going to put it here for you to look at. I have this purple thing all of a sudden. But like I said, Deborah bought this too, but hers was a little bit different. I think hers was larger flowers. So Deborah will have to share some of this with each other for sure. This next one, like I choose a lot of trims because I really love their trims. And this comes 4 different pieces in the package. Again, the jacquardi or jacquard, depending on who you are and how you say it. So there's the blue. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Isn't that just gorgeous? Yeah, I love this. And then this is turquoise with the red. Very pretty. I think I'm going to put this one and this one away from my peacock journal. I'm still gathering stuff, but they are coming together nicely. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Hope you can see it all really good. Now this one has pink and teal. Very pretty. Love it. So now this says 4 pieces, 15 yards. So that's like 3, not quite 4 yards. So it's probably 3 meters when you translate it to meters. So it's probably 3 meters of each color, which would make it 12 meters. 15 yards would be more than 12 meters, but it's at least, maybe it's 3.5 yards per, or 3.5 meters per. But altogether, so the 4 in the package in US dollars was $4.61. So this is like $1.15 for one of these. That's insane. We can't buy this much ribbon at any dollar store or a sewing store, or there's just no way. And then in Canadian dollars, it's $6.69. So that would be like $1.70-ish in Canada for that much ribbon. Yeah, no, you'll never find it. But a lovely find for me at Beebeecraft. Love it. And then this one is a lot. So I think I'm going to have to share these with the girls. I have 6 rolls of this sequin trim. Now this is beautiful. Now I could use this so easily now, do they glue it? or is it stitched? I don't know what I'm pulling on here. I might pull off the first couple of sequins. It looks like it's glued or something. Oh yeah, it is glued. Okay, there we go. So they just have a glue to hold it together. I could easily just use this like this as a trim on a project, but even on any of these colors, it goes so nicely. So you could use this to further enhance another trim. If you have a very plain trim, you could put this down the center to add some color. You can also use this in a ruffle. If you have ruffles that don't have anything down the center, you could easily glue this down the center of a ruffle. So just gorgeous. And there's lots here, and there's 6 rolls. Now each roll has 5 meters. So that's 30 meters of this ribbon on 6 rolls. The price for this was in US dollars, $4.67. So it's less than $1 a roll. You can't even buy this at Dollar Tree or Dollar Store for that kind of price. Oh, it looks like, yeah, no, they're not the different colors. They're the same colors. Yeah, they're all the same. But so it's $4.67 in United States. In Canada, it's $6.78. So even there, it's about $1.25 a roll in Canadian dollars. There's no way we would find 6 yards for that price at any of our shops. So again, well worth it. I see a little color thing going on here, right? But then I'm going to just totally throw you off, and I love it. It's this orange trim. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is also 7.66 yards, so I'm guessing it's 7 meters. And it's a beautiful, oh, I just love the color. It's such a tangerine orange. I would call it tangerine. I don't know. It's very bright, but just a beautiful color. This appeals to me so much as well. Lots here. Look at just a ton. I've gotten quite a collection now of Beebeecraft ribbons and trims since I've become a buyer and and a YouTuber for them. So I'll have to show you one day all of my Beebeecraft trims because I have them all together. So once I've got them all carded up, I will show you all the different trims that I have from them. The last item is my most favorite. Plus, you get this lovely bubble wrap bag. And Deb was showing that she was just going to fold it in half and turn it into a journal. This one, I think, is a little bit bigger than the one she was showing, but I would just trim it down or cut it into 2 pieces for a journal. So, yeah, you get that to make a nice journal cover. And then these are, they're called... oh, here they are. Ribbon crimps. So they come different sizes in the package. I'm just going to spread them out on this. I hope you can see on this. They come different sizes and different colors. Okay, there's a smaller one there. Now these have like little teeth. So they are meant to, if you wanted to... So I'm just grabbing one that I think the gold would look nice. You know, I would cut this straight, of course, and melt the edges so that it's nice and straight. And then you would crimp this together by pushing it closed with a needle nose pliers or flat pliers, something like this. Flat. And then this becomes a beautiful end to use for making charms where you have a ribbon charm. I can further decorate these with beads. I will have a day where we play with these and I will show you some different ideas of things you can do with them. Now they come in a variety of sizes, I think. No, these are all 8 8 millimeter. No, I might be reading the size wrong. Okay, they're 16 by 8 millimeters. Okay, so they are 16 millimeters, which is 1.6 centimeters. So it's not quite an inch. It's like 3/4 of an inch. Let me just double check here. Not quite. It's 5/8 of an inch. Yeah, they're all 5/8 of an inch, which is a perfect size. Yeah, 5/8. So they come in an assortment of colors. You've got the antique gold, the silver, the shiny gold. There's a copper color here. And I think that's, there's kind of a gunmetal or dark silver color in there. I think it's 5 colors. So a good assortment of colors. Now this was, I think, my most expensive thing. And it was $8.69 for this bag in US dollars. In Canadian dollars, it's $12.62. However, it's 200 grams, and they say approximately 345 pieces. So that's a lot of ribbon crimping that I can do. Now, not only can I make some fun charms and dangles for making for my journals, but I can also use this for making jewelry, because you can put a clasp at both ends and make chokers or bracelets out of the ribbon as well. And you can crimp together several layers and, create like a little stack of things, and just using a flat pliers without any ridges in it. These are for crimping beads on in jewelry, but this way they don't leave any marks when you. I don't want to crimp it closed here, because this ribbon isn't straight, and I would rather do some different designs than just putting this one ribbon. But this is a perfect size, because it doesn't matter if your ribbon is wider. Like if you have something that's this wide, it will still hold it nicely and be decorative. You just have to finish off the edges of your piece, of course. But it will still hold it very nicely for making different projects. So I'm really pleased with this size. And I have a lot of them. So we are going to be making some fun jewelry coming up. So I'm going to put all these back in here. And this is a perfect example. All of these things here I could share easily with 6 people, because I have 6 rolls of this ribbon, and all of these trims I could divide up into 6 very nicely and share it with 6 friends. I could definitely share these with other people as well, because there's lots here. There's a lot here. So maybe when my gal pals come, we'll have a day where we make some crimped charms, and I'll give them each some of these to play with. So that is my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. There's lots of fun things here to play with, and I'm going to enjoy it so much. And I'm looking forward to sharing the journey with you as well. Thank you so much for watching. All the information to these products are in the description below. Just open it up so that you can see the whole thing, and then you'll see a list of all the different items that I bought today, as well as information on the coupon, and information if you are a YouTuber and you would like to get some free product. This is a great way to do it. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a very creative day and a creative week, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye for now.